house at 4233 Buren in Hollywood. Listed. Here the house has a beautiful living room as you come in, and a nice beautiful formal dining room. It's in right here. Check out the bedrooms. It has 4 bedrooms. We'll start off this one. 2 big beds and a beautiful closet over here. It has over here another linen closet right outside the room. Here is bedroom number 2. It's a king size bed in it and a closet over here. Here is air conditioning. You see, working pretty well. Here is full bathroom with a hot tub. And here is something unique. Another bedroom for the kids, bunk bed. And a nice closet over here. Now we're going into this master bedroom. It has over here 2 closets and a nice shower and is her sink right here. And that door actually leads out to the pool. But we'll see the pool here. And this leads out to the kitchen. Look at this open space kitchen. And it has windows to go out just to serve foods. Open them up and you serve your food outside. Here is a powder room. Right next to it, you have a laundry room that can also be used as a pantry. It has an extra fridge. And here, this door is actually going in through car garage. Pretty good. And we're going to the best part of the house, the pool, and the outdoor area. We have a table, and here we have the bar, and this is a beautiful pool with open armchairs. And we still have nice green grass over there.